If you were to fully comprehend from this level of awareness that which you are, and the intricacies and the miraculous nature of life, creation, and consciousness, you would not be able to hold it. For how could you hold it? You would not be able to appreciate it, for its appreciation is endless. Its expansion is eternal. So, know that this great gift, know that this grace of Creator that allows you to experience that which is unexperienceable from our perspective is beyond imagining, is beyond description. And so we open sharing the questions